In today's video, we will write essay The Value of Time. Time is very precious in our life. It never stops for anyone. Lost time never comes back. We should use our time wisely. Time helps us achieve our goals. Successful people respect the value of time. Wasting time leads to failure. Time teaches us many important lessons. If we manage time properly, we can succeed in life. Therefore, we should always value time.